Pleasure to be back in, if I may use the term, my state, because Tripura has a special relationship with the Scindia family. As I mentioned to you all last time, my aunt, Marani Padmaraje, was married to former Maharaja of Tripura. And therefore, this is a land with which I feel a very, very strong bonding from the heart. Chief Minister Manik Saha Sahab has always been very cooperative, very visionary, very forward-thinking, and very determined in his endeavors to bring about all-round development of the state. I am very fortunate to have the opportunity to be working with him. I come to Tripura today not empty-handed, but the Prime Minister's resolve of bringing all-round development to Ashtalakshmi, our 8 states in the northeast, the 7 sisters and Sikkim. And as part of that initiative, I come today with almost 540 crores worth of development projects. 220 crores odd. We will be doing the function shortly in the next hour or so. 3 foundation stones and 3 inaugurations of roads, health services, tourism services, power services, contributed by the Government of India for the state of Tripura. Tomorrow I go to Dumbur, where along with the Chief Minister we will be laying the foundation stone of a very, very ambitious tourism circuit. Mata Sundari, Mata Bari tourism circuit for about close to about 250 to 70 crores. And therefore, I will also be doing darshan later tonight. And therefore, the whole imperative is to make sure that we cover all frontiers. We are also doing a special project for Agarwood, a pilot project for Agarwood, which is in many ways liquid gold today. And this is a project that we have conceived at the donor ministry for both Assam and Tripura. Chief Minister and I have been working very assiduously on this project as well. So the pilot project will be flagged off for Agarwood. And so therefore we are looking at a whole area of initiatives, from Agarwood to tourism, to health, to power, to infrastructure for Tripura. I look forward to my next 3 days here in Tripura and in Assam, and look forward to being a partner in the journey of development and progress as envisioned by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Thank you.